Financial struggles are often a result of poor money habits rather than external circumstances. Managing money effectively is crucial for financial stability and long-term wealth. However, certain habits can trap you in a cycle of poverty, making it difficult to break free and achieve financial independence. Here are some common money habits that keep you poor and how to avoid them. Number 1. Living beyond your means. One of the most common reasons people stay poor is spending more than they earn. This often involves relying on credit cards, loans, or buy now, pay later schemes to fund a lifestyle you can't afford. Over time, this leads to debt accumulation and financial stress. How to fix it? Create a budget and stick to it. Prioritize needs over wants and avoid impulse purchases. Live within your means and save for big purchases instead of relying on credit. Avoid lifestyle inflation when your income increases. Number 2. Not having a budget. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going. This lack of awareness can lead to overspending and missed opportunities to save or invest. How to fix it? Track your income and expenses. Set up a monthly budget with clear spending limits. Use budgeting tools or apps to monitor your spending and identify areas where you can cut back. Review your budget regularly and adjust it as needed. Number 3. Ignoring savings. Many people find themselves in financial crises due to unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Failing to save money leaves you vulnerable to emergencies and unexpected expenses. Without savings, you may resort to high-interest loans or credit cards, which can worsen your financial situation. How to fix it? Pay yourself first. Set aside a portion of your income, ideally 10 to 20%, for savings before spending on anything else. Build an emergency fund with 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Keep your emergency fund in a separate, accessible account. Number 4. Relying on debt. Using credit cards and loans to cover everyday expenses is a dangerous cycle that keeps you in debt. Using debt to finance your lifestyle or cover basic expenses can lead to a never-ending cycle of payments and interest. High-interest debt, such as credit card debt, is particularly damaging. How to fix it? Avoid unnecessary debt and focus on paying off existing debt. Use cash or debit for everyday purchases to avoid accumulating debt. Use the debt snowball or avalanche method to tackle your debts systematically. Number 5. Not investing. Many people delay investing because they think they don't have enough money or believe investing is risky. However, time is your greatest advantage when it comes to building wealth. Keeping all your money in a savings account or under your mattress means missing out on the power of compound interest and investment growth. Inflation can also erode the value of your savings over time. How to fix it? Educate yourself about investing and start small. Consider low-risk options like index funds, mutual funds, or retirement accounts. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Number 6. Impulse buying. Frequent impulse purchases can drain your finances and leave little room for savings or investments. Small, unplanned expenses can add up quickly over time. How to fix it? Practice mindful spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it's a need or a want. Implement a 24-hour rule for non-essential purchases to avoid impulsive decisions. Number 7. Not setting financial goals. Without clear financial goals, it's easy to drift aimlessly and make poor money decisions. Goals provide direction and motivation to save, invest, and spend wisely. How to fix it? Set short-term, medium-term, and long-term financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, buying a home, or retiring comfortably, having goals will help you stay focused. Regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Number 8. Failing to educate yourself about money. Lack of financial literacy prevents people from making smart money decisions. If you don't understand how money works, you're more likely to fall into financial traps. Financial illiteracy can lead to poor decisions, such as taking on bad debt, falling for scams, or missing out on opportunities to grow your wealth. How to fix it? Invest time in learning about personal finance. Read books, attend workshops, or follow reputable financial experts. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing money. Number 9. Spending to keep up appearances. Trying to impress others by buying expensive clothes, cars, or gadgets can lead to financial strain. This habit often stems from societal pressure or a desire for validation. How to fix it? Focus on your own financial well-being rather than comparing yourself to others. Remember that true wealth is about financial freedom, not material possessions. Number 10. Depending on one source of income. Relying solely on a single income source is risky. If you lose your job or face a pay cut, financial troubles can quickly arise. How to fix it? Look for side hustles or freelance work. Invest in income-generating assets. Consider passive income sources like rental properties or dividend stocks. Number 11. Making emotional money decisions. Emotional spending, whether driven by stress, boredom, or peer pressure, can wreck your financial health. How to fix it? Practice mindful spending by waiting 24 hours before making big purchases. Stick to a shopping list and avoid unnecessary temptations. Identify triggers that lead to emotional spending and find healthier alternatives. Number 12. Neglecting retirement planning. Many people put off retirement savings, assuming they have plenty of time. However, the earlier you start, the better. Failing to plan for retirement can leave you struggling in your later years. Relying solely on Social Security or pensions may not be enough to maintain your desired lifestyle. How to fix it? Start contributing to a retirement account as early as possible. Take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans. Increase your retirement contributions as your income grows. Conclusion: breaking poor money habits requires discipline, awareness, and a willingness to change. By identifying and addressing these habits, you can take control of your finances, build wealth, and secure a brighter financial future. Remember, small changes today can lead to significant improvements over time. Start now, and your future self will thank you. And if you liked this video, then please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.